Hello viewers, thank you for watching my YouTube channel Ravi's Eye View. Very interestingly, the world's richest man, Elon Musk, made a statement. He says the top technology companies will be the place where talent will die. It's a statement which has a very in-depth meaning. While many pundits out there in the market will be dissecting what he said, will be probably writing a couple of books, what he said and why he said that, and those books might even become a best-selling books. Well, I'm not commenting that, I said that a little sarcastically. Now back home, let's take a step and understand what are the trigger points for those 1.6 million technology students, those who are coming out of our engineering colleges every year. Now, what happens to them? Students pride themselves if they get hired by a technology big and majors like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Technology, and the likes. Now, what happened to the rest? The rest of the students, they pride themselves if they get absorbed in the Tier 2 and Tier 3 enterprises in the country. Now, in between these two top 4 tech company layers, there are very many multinational companies. Those who do product development in this country, they have offshore development center for software, and they have multiple other opportunities for those students, and they go on recruiting them on the campus. Now, what Musk has said has a deeper meaning. Probably, in my opinion, what he did mention about is you hire best of the breed of the talent, put them in companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon. They become a coder, they become a product developer, or they do a programming, you name them. That talent prides themselves so much so that I work for Amazon, I work for Facebook, I work for Google, I work for TCS and the likes. They pride themselves so much so that the amount of earning, the money what they see at a very young age makes them addicted to the role, responsibilities, what's been assigned to them, and they stop at that. In my opinion, such talents do not invest sufficient time and energy in upskilling themselves, and a strong possibility those guys can step out, can become an entrepreneur, and they can give the run of the life for the big wigs like Amazon, TCS, Infosys, or Google for that matter. Probably Musk would have meant that by absorbing the best breed and the best talent as part of your employee pool, reward them with ESOPs, make your enterprise's belly grow much more fatter by the day in profits, in growth, in expansion. Therefore, help those students, help those talent, pride themselves that they are working for you. In the process, you kill your competition. Elon, you must have meant that, and I appreciate you openly stating that. Thank you for watching Ravi's Eye View, my own channel. I appreciate your time. If you like my videos, like them, subscribe to them, and share with your friends. And don't forget to write comments. Thank you so much.